Good afternoon, children. This is class ninth, Geography, Chapter 1, India, Size and Location. Okay, so children, India is our motherland, right? So it is a land of lofty mountains and mighty rivers. The plains and plateau of India cover extensive areas. The highest of the mountains of the world are in this country. Some parts of India are almost at the sea level, right? So, India, that is Bharat, is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area, okay? And the second largest country in the terms of population, okay? Now we'll see the location and size. India is situated in the southern part of Asia at the head of the Indian Ocean. This ocean is named after our country, and India is the only country in the world after which an ocean is named. Okay, this shows this even in the olden days, India was an important country in international trade and commerce. So, this has been partly due to the central location of our country in relation to the other continent of the world. So, India is centrally located in the South Asia at the head of the Indian Ocean. To east is the peninsula of Indochina, and on the west is the peninsula of Arabia. Okay. Now we'll see the size. India has about 2.42% of the world's total land area. It has an area of around 3.28 million square kilometer. This making it the seventh largest country in the world. Six other countries larger than India in area are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. Okay. Now, the distance between the northernmost part and the southernmost part of India is approximately 3214 kilometer. The east-west extent measure about 2933 kilometer. Okay. Then India has a land boundary of about 1500 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including the Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island is about 7516.6 kilometer, right? Okay, thank you children.